Hey everyone, welcome to my new channel. Today I'm going to talk about Merrill Virtual Data Rooms. Unveiling Merrill Virtual Data Room. Let's check out introductions. Welcome to an in-depth explorations of Merrill Virtual Data Room, our trusted solutions in secure data management for various business processes. Overview of Merrill. Briefly introduce Merrill Corporation as a reputable provider of financial services technologies and secure communication technologies, leading to the development of Merrill Virtual Data Room. Objective. Set the objective of understanding the distinctive features and capabilities of Merrill Virtual Data Rooms. The pillars of Merrill Virtual Data Room. Security measure. Delve into the robust security measures offered by Merrill Virtual Data Room, including advanced encryptions, multi-factor authentications, and secure access controls. Highlight interface. Discuss the user-friendly interface of Merrill Virtual Data Room, ensuring easy of use and quick adoptions among users. Collaboration tools. Highlight advanced collaboration tools within Merrill Virtual Data Room, facilitating real-time communications and efficient teamwork. Merrill Virtual Data Room across industries. Finance sector. Explore how Merrill Virtual Data Room caters to the specific needs of the finance industry during mergers and acquisitions, fundraising, and other financial transactions. Legal industry. Discuss the role of Merrill Virtual Data Room in legal process, aiding in due diligence, compliance audit, and secure document management. Healthcare. Address specialized requirements of healthcare sectors, emphasize compliance with data regulations, and secure information exchange. Ensuring regulatory compliance with Merrill Virtual Data Room. Data protection laws. Explore how Merrill Virtual Data Room assists organizations in adhering to data protection laws such as GDPR, HIPAA, and industry-specific regulations. Audit trails. Discuss the role of detailed audit trails provided by Merrill Virtual Data Rooms, ensuring transparency in virtual data room and activities for compliance purposes. Certifications. Highlight any industry certifications that Merrill Virtual Data Room adheres to, showcasing its commitment to security and compliance. That's it. Hope you understood this topic. Still, if you have any confusion, don't hesitate to leave a comment below and let us know about the topic so that we can help you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Take care and have a nice day. See you in the next topic. Till then, bye bye.